Hi all, today we discuss about what is the difference between mom cap, mim cap and mass cap. Okay, so mim capacitor means metal insulator metal, mom capacitor means metal oxide metal, mass capacitor means metal oxide semiconductor. Each of these capacitor types serves different purposes and offers distinct advantages and disadvantages. So first of all, we will discuss about the MIM capacitor. MIM capacitors are similar in structure to parallel plate capacitors with two metal layers separated by dielectric material. If you observe here, see from metal 1 to metal 7, all metals are included in this MIM capacitor, but in between we have dielectric. Okay, with dielectric we built with all the metals మనం బిల్డ్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి మనకు టాప్ మెటల్ 7 కాబట్టి సో మనం అప్ టు 7 వరకు ఫ్రమ్ మెటల్ 1 టు తీసుకున్నాం. ఓకేనా, దే ఆర్ ఫార్మ్డ్ యూజింగ్ ద టాప్ 2 మెటల్ లేయర్స్ అండ్ ఏ స్పెషల్ మెటల్ లేయర్ ఇన్ ద మిడిల్. Advantages. What is the advantages of MIMCAP? MIM capacitors can use special processes to connect odd numbered and even numbered metal layers, increasing unit area capacitance. So MIM capacitor the main use ఏంటంటే we will use to increase the unit area capacitance. For that we will use MIM capacitor. డిసడ్వాంటేజెస్ వచ్చేసి మిమ్ కెపాసిటర్స్ హ్యావ్ ఏ రిలేటివ్లీ లో యూనిట్ ఏరియా కెపాసిటెన్స్. అంటే మనం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయొచ్చు యూనిట్ ఏరియా కెపాసిటెన్స్, బట్ ఎక్కువ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయలేం. వీ కెన్ ఇంక్రీజ్ వెరీ లెస్ యూనిట్ ఏరియా కెపాసిటెన్స్ అండ్ కెన్ ఎగ్జిబిట్ సిగ్నిఫికెంట్ పారాసిటిక్ కెపాసిటెన్సెస్. సో బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ మిమ్ క్యాప్ వీ విల్ గెట్ మోర్ పారాసిటిక్ కెపాసిటెన్సెస్. Next, we will discuss about the MOM capacitor. MOM capacitor means metal oxide metal. In this, the main difference between the MIM capacitor and MOM capacitor is, in this only we have single metal. So if you observe, we have only one metal. In between we have oxide. That is the major difference between MIM cap and MOM cap. In MIM cap we have all the metals from lower metal to top metal, but in MOM cap only we have single metal. So MOM capacitors are interdigitized capacitors formed by metal connections and are characterized by a high unit capacitances. So if you observe in MIM capacitor, there we have less unit capacitances, but in MOM capacitor we have more unit capacitances. Their structure allows for closer metal wire spacing and resulting higher capacitance density, especially in advanced technologies. What are the advantages of MOM capacitors? MOM capacitors offer high unit capacitance, that is the main thing, and low parasitic capacitance. The completely opposite of MIM capacitor. MIM capacitor lo unit capacitance is less, but in MOM it is high. In parasitic capacitances or in MIM that is more, but here less. Symmetrical plane structure. In this symmetrical plane structure is there. Excellent RF and matching characteristics and compatibility with the metal wire process without requiring additional steps. MOM capacitors have become essential in advanced CMOS manufacturing process. Actually in CMOS manufacturing process mostly we will use MOM capacitors only. After that, mass capacitor. Mass capacitor means metal oxide semiconductor. If you observe here, this is silicon body, this is metal, and this is SiO2. This whatever the metal is there, right, that is the gate. So mass capacitors are integral to MOSFET structures, so serving as the core unit of entire MOS transistor. They consist of metal gate, a semiconductor substrate, an oxide layer. In this between, the capacitance value of MOS capacitors varies with a gate voltage and exhibit non-linearity. MOS capacitors work in different regions, accumulation, depletion and inversion, depending on the gate voltage. MOS capacitors are important in transistor operation and are used to storage charge. They can have two different structures, p-type semiconductor MOS capacitor and n-type semiconductor MOS capacitor. So mass capacitor is nothing but metal oxide semiconductor capacitor. So in this we have mostly two types, n type capacitor and p type capacitor. So these capacitors, how we will connect, so except gate, we other all the terminals we will connect to ground. That is nothing but a mass capacitor. In this we will get more capacitance compared to the mom capacitor and mim capacitor. This is the major difference between the mim and mom and mass capacitor. Thank you so much, guys.